Good day, Sir Edmund Fernandez, and today I will present the MATLAB exercise number 9, which is the convolution in frequency domain. And this is the first part po is which is the program. Ito po yung code. And for the main part po, and this is the part 1, the amplitude modulation with and without using convolution. Ito po yung code. Tapos ito po yung mga plot. And for the part 2 po, which is the amplitude modulation of an audio signal. Ito po yung sa code. Tapos ito po yung sa figures. First, para po sa part 3, concept of sampling and aliasing. Ito po yung code sa code. And para po sa last part, which is the part 4, ito po yung sa code. Tapos ito po yung figure. And yun lang po, sir. Thank you po.